My name is Dr. Thomas Thissen from Deutsche Lufthansa. I'm responsible for the IT product management of our passenger IT systems at our airport. Self-service is a key point in our strategy for our customer services. We want to provide any single feature as a self-service to our customers, beginning with the reservation and information on flights, continuing with ticketing over the online check-in, kiosk check-in at airports, self-backdrop or quick boarding. With these machines, the customer can drop off his luggage himself very easily and very fast here, and this is an important innovation we have at the stations. Since many years we rely on the services provided by Materna because of the direct communication channels, the fast decisions and the high reliability of the services provided. Key facts which are very important for us in cooperation with our partners.